Friends, welcome back to my channel Jasprit Can Knowledge Bank. Today we will study chapter 7 of class 7 tenses. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 7, class 7 tenses. What is the meaning of tenses in Hindi? Kal. Tenses is the form of the verb which shows time of an action and its degree of completeness. There are three kinds of tenses: present, past, future. What is the meaning of these kinds of tenses in Hindi? Vartaman, Atit, Bhavishya. Some examples of tenses: I was early. Past tense, I am early. Present tense, I will shall be early. Future tense. Why I am cut the shell? Because the shell is not used in this time. We will use only will. Some information about be. What is a be? Be is a very special verb. There are various forms of be: are, is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be. Be is used as the main verbs. He is here, they are here. It is example. Some information about be and table also. Be is also used to make another verbs from he is combing here, he will be coming here. Negative sentence can be made by putting not after the various forms of be. Example: he is not here, he will not be here. In interrogative sentence can be made by placing the various forms of be in the beginning of. Example: is he here? Will he not be here? There, the past tense express the action in the past. Time, the present tense express action in the present time. Will, future tense express action in the future time. And then we will read into book. Information about tenses. I am read book copy also. All information are written. I am in notebook. This is the table of. Study the table given here. This is the table of be. Information about be. Simple past tense, I am. This is the table. Okay, I am mentioned in description box also. Have is also a special verb. The various forms of verb are has, had, will, have, shall have. Have can be used as the main verb. He have many subjects. Have can also be used to make other verb forms. We have complete our homework. This is the table of have. We will read simple present tense. What is the simple present tense? When have is used to anything. This is the simple present tense. I am only read the examples for you. I have got a new bag. Negative sentence: I haven't got a new bag. Interrogative sentence: have I got a new bag? Simple past tense: Jaya had biscuits for tea. Negative sentence and interrogative sentence are formed by using did as in. Jaya did not have biscuits for tea. Did Jaya have biscuits for tea? Simple future tense: will use We use will, shall have. I will have new car next month. She will have a new address soon. In next page we will solve back size. First we will read uses of simple past tense. What is the uses of simple past tense? For the action complete in the recent past, I come across my childhood friend yesterday. We enjoyed our trip. This is a not mentioned. I expressing some past habit. He used to collect stamps. Solve the back size. I dash all this of my free will do. In this exercise, we will use fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verb given in the bracket. Simple past. In simple past, we will use verb की second form. So, do is first and did is second. Not have, did not have. Did is second form. Hid is second form. Threw is second form. Not fly, did not fly. This is the exercise 1 is complete. Exercise 2, rewrite these sentences in the negative form and in the interrogative form. Sumit has spent the money. Answer: Sumit has not spent the money. We will use in this exercise not are used like negative sentence or interrogative sentence. Sana liked mystery stories. Sana did not like mystery stories. We play Scrabble every week. We do not play Scrabble every week. Books were expensive at the book fair. Books were not expensive at the book fair. So exercise 2 is completed. B. Past continuous tense. What was the rule of past continuous tense? Affirmative sentence, subject plus verb की first form, was verb plus verb की first form ing. For example, I was singing. Negative sentence, subject plus verb की was were plus not plus verb की first form plus ing. Interrogative, was verb was first of subject plus verb की first form plus ing. I mentioned this table in the description box. Negative sentence, the boy were not attending to their teacher. Solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb simple past or past continuous given in the bracket. This is solve only second and was verb first form. In simple past tense, we will use verb की second form. Past continuous tense, we will use verb की first form plus ing. So we will use for second form of simple past tense and first form and ing for continuous. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Have a nice day.